Dear students, today we are going to review the letters and their sounds.
Oh, oh,
L. L is for lemon, lollipop, lion.
oh, oh,
L. L is in bell, wall, balloon.
oh, oh, ul, as in bottle. Middle. Little. S, s,
S. S is in dress, grass, cross. Lap, let, leg, lot, it, lit, bell, fill, doll, tell, sell, bill, nell, dull, app, laptop, less, hiss, mass, mess, boss, fuss, hiss, pass, kiss, tess, fusspot.
it, ul, little. It, ul, little. D, ul, cuddle. D, ul, cuddle. I, d, ul, middle. I, d, ul, middle. Ick, ul, tickle. Ick, ul, tickle.
Alpha blocks are big and strong.
Alpha blocks are big and strong.
We like training all day long.
We like training all day long.
Stand tall, arms out, hold hands. Sound down.
Lift.
One little alpha block jumping on the bed. That's me. I fell off and bumped my head. I need a kiss. Good night. IPS held hands and said, Ips, lips. No more alpha blocks jumping on the bed.
We'll grind the wheat and grind it well.
I'm the little white hen. I'm ready to go. Who can help me mix the dough? Uh-oh, Dolly! My dough! Don't want Dolly to get wet.
Splish! Splosh! It'd be super to have someone to splash with. Hiss! Bliss!
Mess! Excuse me, everyone. I'd better tidy that up.
Mess!
Miss!
We missed it!
Yes!
Little.
Hello.
Apple. Little apple. Table. Middle. Middle of the table. Little apples, come to the middle of the table.